The Meghalaya Cabinet yesterday approved several significant measures, including the Meghalaya Health Service Academic Rules 2024, paving the way for faculty recruitment for the long-awaited Shillong Medical College. Health Minister Dr. M. Ampareen Lingdaw announced that the college start-up cost would be around Rs 16 crore. Additionally, the Cabinet approved the Meghalaya Dental Health Service rules aimed at strengthening dental care services in the state. The Cabinet has also approved the Meghalaya Journalist Welfare Scheme 2024, designed to support the welfare of journalists in the region.
To start making sure that we operationalize the medical college in the targeted time frame, we had to come up with a service rule for the recruitment of faculty to run the medical college. The Meghalaya Dental Health Service Rule. We still do not have a dental health service rule in the Department of Health. This document now enables us to quickly speed up all pending activities with regards to promotions and with regards to recruitment to better the dental health service in the state of Meghalaya. The approval of the Meghalaya Journalist Welfare Scheme 2024. It shall now become operational, and we are happy, and we will keep the press fraternity informed from time to time about what would be the various components of this particular welfare scheme.
The Education Department Government of Meghalaya